Welcome to my kitchen. As you can see by the stain right there, I love to cook. And I love to do a lot of stir fry. But unfortunately, I have this unsightly, greasy, oily mess that's stuck to the wall. In fact, why didn't the original construction company put in like a splash guard? Typically, on the oven wall and the backdrop, it has a splash guard. So today I need to find a solution on making this look nicer. Alright, so I'm inside Dollar Tree and I'm looking for these self-adhesive wall tiles. Let's see what I choose from. This design. You got this design. I think I like this design right here. What else? You got this design tile like a bathtub. No, I want it for the kitchen. I think these I do. Okay. Obviously these aren't real tiles. It's like puffed up plastic, it feels like. Okay. Easy to use, just peel and stick. I think this would do well for that unsightly oily mess. So let's go ahead and get a couple of these. And over here they also have these wallpaper types. So these are much thinner, same price, covers more area. Okay. If I was to pick, I'll probably go with this if I was to pick this style. But here are the options though. Alright guys, I found the home and it binds 6 of these. I didn't actually measure it, but let's go ahead and take a quick look and see how it would fit. I think that's gonna fit a little bit, I think a little bit too wide. So I might have to figure out a way how to do it, see? So it looks like I'm gonna have to fit some under there, but the 6 would definitely more than cover the area. So let's get started. Per the direction, it says make sure surface is clean and dry. So I need to use some type of degreaser to remove all these grease because simple soap will not do. And fortunately, I have some degreaser. I'll be using the Zep Heavy Duty Citrus Degreaser. So let's go ahead and spray it real generously. Oh, that's nasty. This is like years of usage. Okay, let's see. Brush. Probably better to use a brush. But like I said, I'll be covering this up so it doesn't make sense to have it like spot clean. With the help of degreaser, it definitely helps. Look at all the grease that I removed. I think this is the best I can do. So now I'm gonna wipe it dry with a towel. Surface needs to be dry. Alright, let's go ahead and open one of these packages. See what it looks like. Okay, there's that. If you don't, looking at it from far away, a couple of feet away, it looks like real tile. And I like the color, it matches my cabinets. See, kind of cherry wood color. That's why I want this. Let's go ahead and peel the back. Oh, so it's all adhesive right here. So peel off from this edge, it says. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it on one end. Okay. Let's see how it looks first before I press it down real good. So, how about like right there? I think that looks good. What do you guys think? Okay, with the second one, I'm going to apply it to this end. Like that. And like I said, I'm not gonna press it down real hard because in case I have to remove it. I think that's kind of good right there. And then I think I have a solution. For the in-between, I think what I'm gonna do is just stick it over it, overlap it. So here we go. Let's see how it looks like it's overlapped. Kind of. That. It actually looks pretty good. And now for the bottom, same idea, except I don't want to move my oven, it's heavy. So I'll just do it like that. How about that? Oops. Kind of like that. Leave it right there. Press it down. I think it's looking great so far. Here's the final piece of the puzzle. Overlap. Let's make it even, lined up. There you have it. Bam! What do you guys think? And there's the finished product from far away. It matches my cabinets and my flooring. Let's get a close-up look. Now you guys probably wondering how long would the adhesive last, especially with some grease behind it. Don't worry, I already have a solution in mind already. If it does fall with time, I can just simply use some push pins to stick it in there, you know. Some transparent, translucent push pins to keep it in place. That's the solution right there. Now look at how cheap and effective that was. 6 times 125, you guys do the math. I mean, instead of hiring somebody to do it professionally, I mean, I don't plan on moving anytime soon. Of course, I'll probably have to redo the kitchen because the cabinets are old and the tiles, countertop are kind of messy. But that's on another question right there. So here's a very easy and cost-effective way of installing a splash guard for the oven. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here we go, got some push pins right here. Simply just press it in place, and it will never fall.